In this video, I'll show you how to use Freepik AI. First, open your web browser, go to the Freepik website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the AI Tools section to explore the available AI features. Next, choose the AI tool you want to use. Depending on your project, you can generate images, edit existing images, create mockups, expand backgrounds, remove objects, or use other AI-powered creative tools available on the platform. Now, enter a detailed prompt describing what you want to create. Include the subject, style, colors, lighting, composition, and any other important details. If you're editing an existing image, upload your file and describe the changes you'd like the AI to make. After that, click the Generate button and wait while Freepik AI processes your request. Review the generated results and choose the version you like best. If the result isn't exactly what you wanted, refine your prompt or adjust the available settings and generate again. Finally, once you're satisfied with the result, click the Download button to save the image to your device. You can then use it in presentations, websites, marketing materials, social media posts, or other creative projects, while making sure your use complies with Freepik's licensing terms. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Freepik AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.